Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be discussing on Click Home Income. It's a web-based software which helps people to get the multiple stream, whereas it unlocks the 7 income stream where we can earn passively. Proceeding further, I would like to discuss about the bonuses which I'll be offering. These are my bonus bundle for the Click Home Income. These are the customized bonus you can get absolutely free of cost without paying anything. I'll be discussing regarding the bonus at the end of the video. Please watch the video till end to get the bonus. Coming back to the product, Click Home Income, it has multiple features. Some of them features are like logo designing, voiceover, scriber, and like other job hunting features. With just one click we can get done our jobs, so that the more tasks we complete we get more than the payment. Literally one click income, just it complete and you are done. Ridiculously easy, no expenses required. It's zero traffic needed to profit, absolutely straightforward with no expenses. Also it has 30-day money back guarantee program. With Click Home Income, the odds are finally in your favor, whereas no experience is required. It is a fail-proof system and also it's built for beginners. No computers required. We can get profit anywhere in the world. Moreover, it's basically like suppose in case if we get any bid from the Upwork or people from Hover, if we get any like data entry or text converter or logo design, all those things we can easily get it done with the help of Click Home Income. Please watch my next video on the demo of Click Home Income. I'll be showing what are the features included in the Click Home Income and how it can be used. It is very user friendly and very flexible to use it. Click Home Income, it works for everyone because it does all the work for you. It feels like you could mess things up, but think again, because virtually all of the hard work is done for you. This means no dealing with hosting, paid ads, autoresponder, selling. All you have to do is just completing a single task given to you and get paid $29 each time, often even more. Get Click Home Income at the one-time price by just paying $19 once and use it for rather than paying $297 monthly. In order to get the instant access, please check out the link in the description box. Hurry up soon, the price may shoot up again. Now it's your turn. You are just 3 steps away to earn like $29 payments over and over with completing simple tasks. Literally, it's a dead drop simple. First step, get access. It just takes 1 or 2 minutes. Complete simple task. Technically, Click Home Income will complete it for you and sit back and get paid without any effort. Do watch my next demo video on the Click Home Income. It's absolutely helpful for you. Coming back to my bonuses, which I'll be offering absolutely free with zero cost. Click Home Income, it comes live on Jan 21st 10 AM Eastern time. So just grab your Click Home Income and secure your business up. It's a unique way to get $29 over and over by using Click Home. Even the biggest newbie can do it in just a few clicks. Coming to bonus number 1, it's worth of $997, which helps you to kickstart your internet marketing business. And second bonus, it's of worth $497. It helps to get a bigger email list, to get earn bigger. And third bonus, it's of $1,297, where it helps like how to build a perfect sales funnel for your business. And fourth bonus, it's of worth $297. It helps you to how to blog and make it profit from it. So please secure your copy by just getting the access from my reference link. Hurry up soon, the prices may shoot up again. Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, please do like and subscribe.